You don't think we are here about this word Illuminati. I dey sure say even as I talk now, all of una you don't ring the bell for una head because you don't think. And for una way they like me, we don't think una hear am. I don't bring another matter for una. You get one guy, Zimbabwe guy. Now matter I bring today. His name na Ginimbi. This guy rich. Anything where you want think about, think am cars, house, money. He get yakpa. Hey. And now you don't happen to say he joined Illuminati where he himself plan his own death. How possible? My people, now the same question when I bring for now. How possible? How person go just they plan in death? I know they judge person. I like people where they work hard for their money, but the one where they involve buying of casket, yes, in case you don't know, a week before this guy die, he go with his own self, with his money, buy casket, keep her for a room. What did that one mean? It means say he go soon die. Abi? Yes. And now what did this guy do? Where he go, keep the casket for house, they get himself ready for the time where he go leave us. Now, I believe say, in family member, because according to the gist, he no marry, so he no get wife, he no get children, and now only in family he get. And now those ones who can't share, if you not see property, see cars, different shades, different colors, different shapes, everything. This man, nothing with this man no get. And all of una way no even know really much about Illuminati. Illuminati now way of life for some people, not for everybody. They serve devil, they worship Satan. So anything where they want, they will get them. But the only thing they say, you no feel live long. They will give you a certain period of time where you go live. They go tell you the time where you go die. So if you agree, they give you everything where you want. And to some people, it is very normal. And I know why. Because they go tell you, say, how long, after all, everybody go soon die. But the thing, I know say everybody go soon die, but why you supposed to take your own life? Now you give yourself life. Now so this guy just go and even the night before he died, they see him go club, they enjoy himself. All that one, goodbye, goodbye. They tell people, but people don't get the code. Don't go like that. And now he can't enter car with other people. See, he even fall. See, we're not supposed to fear people. I not to say me we no like people who get money, but make una know where the money they come from. You understand? He carry other people along for the car. Where they speed. If you see the speed. That speed no be here. He can't do overspeed. Now, so before you know it, so he crash. Now, as I talk to now, this guy don't die. But the thing now where I no can understand, in uncle, see, now when person die, you go know who and who like you. In uncle the way the uncle they jubilate because of property. Say he want, he don't already choose car where he want. Imagine say your uncle na for village, you don't dey since. Imagine that kind of thing when they don't call you say, your nephew don't die, and you know say the guy get money. And you know say for some families, if the papa no dey, now the uncle go be head of the family. So I dey sure say for this man, see how he dey dance for him mind. He don't turn billionaire automatically, no stress, no sweat. I bet now this kind of blessing I dey find. Me, I don't want that in my hand, but me person just you understand. See how the man they jubilate. I bet my people wait till I think. Because now the matter be say they Illuminati. I know say some of them go tell me say, na lie, you know they Illuminati. I beg, no, I know just want to know what you they think just for your mind. Drop and there. Whether they Illuminati or he work hard for the because that man wealth no be for this place. Meanwhile, my people, we get another interesting gist where we bring for you. The residents condemn Kaduna's 1,000 naira development levy. In case you don't understand. Now for Kaduna State, they don't talk say every adult where they stay for that state must pay 1,000 naira levy. See, Kaduna State governor now, I don't know whether in head don't they tombo, I mean, because how? Make I tell you something. As e dey like this, we don't tire for this government. Imagine person where they tell people make they pay 1,000 naira levy. Just imagine how these people want take pay am. How they want pay am? Because parents where they for Kaduna, some of them poor, some of them don't they work, and some not even get job. Okay, imagine even the ones who get job now. Imagine how much they collect. How much be their salary? I just say sometimes say they pay me and I dey wish say people feel understand people. How much be their salary where you won't come they could remove 1,000 naira? What of people where in 1 month now only 5,000 naira they make and they get like 4 or 5 children? How they want survive? How they want survive? See, my advice to you people, Oga development levies. Look for job for the citizens before you start asking them to bring levy. Una not even know which kind of job person they do. Una not even know how they even they survive. Una just they demand. The only thing when Nigeria government sabi do now to they collect. Everything about Nigeria government are collection. They never give. Even the one where they go manage give you. My people make una fear am because they go collect times 10 of that thing where they give you. Now so they do. Yes, now so they do. So make una eye clear for this one. And I still want to wait till they think for this matter. No time, my people. Hello my beautiful people, you are welcome to the Aproko Show here on 101 TV. And as you already know, my name is Aproko. Yes, my people, the news we are bringing a day very, very sad. Our very, very own ex-president, President Jerry John Rawlings, just passed away. What a pity. My people, this man, he died. And the thing now, you know, his mama die before him die. See, he get what they talk about mother and pikin. They say it good make pikin they bury mama, but this one is still very painful because the mother not even up to 3 weeks where the mama pass. This man carry all this heavy heart, this burden, this pain. Now so in die. And according to the news, they say na coronavirus. No. Now wait till they tell us be that. This man do many good things for people. And because of in good action, in good deeds, people don't even like on that period because all these politicians where they corrupt, you know, they take nonsense from them at all. Before anything, make I tell you now the things we don't do. This our own very ex-president in the military leader and subsequential politician. And he ruled the country, this very country, from 1981 to 2001. This man was very good. Him be good person. And as he be now, in death, can they pain everybody. And I they give John Mahama, I beg, I give you 12 because now I don't hear say him don't hold on the campaign. As soon as no election they go on, him just hold him down because of this very important person. My condolences, sir. I am very heartbroken. My people, I don't know how they feel for this matter, but this man served this country very well. Now, one of the people where, if you they remember president, you know, say we been get president for Ghana. I don't get much to tell you now. Make I know share your condolences, any news, any message you get to give. My condolences to your family, sir. Even if you are no longer seeing me, I deal with you. My people, here now 101 TV, and now here we they bring you latest updates, latest gist for everything where they happen. Yes, don't forget, subscribe, share this video, make everybody know what they happen, make them know what don't happen to this great man, and comment. See ya.